Here I can see palm. নামাও তো দেখি. The little boy is selling palms from his own tree. How much is per each? কত করে একটা? One piece is 15 taka, the asking price, which is not, expensive in terms of the size it has. I really like the size. এটা কি মিষ্টি? Is it sweet? He says yes, it is sweet. The scent is really nice, and if you would like to make some cakes, it will give you tasty cakes. Okay, I would like to buy some. মিষ্টি হবে তো ভালো হবে না? 10 টাকা করে দেই। বড়টা দেবে না? আচ্ছা। All right. So it is called tal in Bangla. All right. Thank you.